You guys, welcome to our fridge. What I'm going to show you now is you're not going to believe these things. These are zucchinis, but look how big they are. So what I'm going to do with this zucchini is I'm going to cut it in long, thin strips like pasta sheets, and I'm going to make lasagna with it. So the lasagna is not going to have any pasta in it, but the leaves is actually going to be the zucchini, and I think it's going to be tasty. There's eggs and a packet of apples and yogurt and cucumber and cheese, and there's lemon juice and fig jam, and there's also 2 liters of fig preserve, sugar-free figs that I made for my mom-in-law from fresh figs. This is another bag of apples. There's some Palmer Black Forest ham. There's some butternut. There's all my husband's yogurt, real butter, my tomatoes. So yeah, and my chili sauce, and yeah, another butter and another cheese. So yeah, have an awesome day, you guys. Show me what's in your fridge. Bye.